Anyway, folks, I'm just gonna say to Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, and Paulo Cruzada, including Teacher May Tiburcio and Buddy Castro, all of those idiots. Why can all of you just move on about the US election? Kamala Harris had been lost. For me, like Donald Trump won, for me, I would likely to say, I was told by Patrick Quezon, Patrick Quezon said to me, he apologized to me that he said to me that Donald Trump won and Kamala Harris had lost, I told him already, that's okay, Patrick. I said, I accepted your apology. He says, sorry talaga, Donald Trump won, Because Donald Trump won already, Just like I said before, I am saying to you, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, and Paulo Cruzada, and Jeffrey Asedio, including Angelo Bonsa, and May Tiburcio, and Buddy Castro. I am saying to all of you that Donald Trump won in US election. Will I speak about that in the reality, about the situation there? Please, enough about against Donald Trump. US election is over now. We have to move on. Like Shania Kiana said, we have to move on about the US election. Donald Trump won in US election. That's all what I mean to say. Like I'm saying to you, Arnel Guerrero Castillo, why are you protesting against Donald Trump? Donald Trump is already won in US election, and you saying Kamala Harris is a president elected in United States. You got a wrong idea. Kamala Harris has already won in US election, but she doesn't won. Donald Trump won in US election. That's all I have to say. We have to move on. Folks, I do not want to quarrel anyone because I am saying to Arnel Guerrero Castillo, Gina Sejo, G. Macasandil, Paulo Cruzada, and Angelo Bonsa, and Jeffrey Asedio, including May Tiburcio and Buddy Castro. We have to move on about US election. For me, like I talked with Ate Mirasol when we were in Holy Cross, and she said to me, do you support Kamala Harris? I said, no. I respect your opinion, you support Kamala Harris. But my opinion, I said it, I endorse Donald Trump. Because, of course, I endorse Donald Trump. And of course not, I will not endorse Kamala Harris. That's what I said before. Let's keep moving on about the US election and stop this hate. And for me, I am saying that Donald Trump is not a racist. That's all.